Paniculata type hydrangeas have this problem often, especially after a rain. You can try tying them up. What I would suggest is to prune them down in the wintertime, January, February, prune them a lot closer than you normally would. They bloom on old wood, so you'll get a shorter stem, a more stout stem for the summer bloom. It looks like you actually have wasps, not bees. And if you're not allergic, you can use something like peppermint spray, which actually works with wasps to deter them. If your kids are afraid, you can peppermint spray the area, hello wasp, or peppermint spray them. If they're not bothering you, you can wait till the fall and then seal up that crack. This question was answered quite well on the gardening group, but we'll talk about trees in general. And katsuras, they are like the canary in the mine shaft. Trees need to be watered from their drip line in. Try to avoid watering right up close to the base of the tree if you can, because trees' roots, the feeder roots, will grow right out to the drip line and just beyond the drip line. So if you can put soaker hoses and water so the top 8 to 9 inches, even 10 inches of soil is saturated, if you do that once or twice a week, your trees will be a lot happier.